Hello there. I just thought I'd come and show you these little things that I've been making. I did some different ones last week with like inspirational words on and things, and I thought I'd have a go at doing some botanical type ones. So I have got a variety of different die cut circles. You could do these with punches or cut different shapes out. I've just inked it around them, and I've done that with a walnut stain just to make it stand out a little bit more. Got all these lovely, I think they're called woodland words. They're from Honey Puddle. I'll leave the link down below. So I sat and cut all those out, and that's just one sheet, and they come, I think that's probably the biggest and that's the smallest, so they come in all different sizes. I got the faux, I think it's butterfly stamp from Artymaze, and I shrank these down to do 4 on a page, so they just come out quite small. And then these are some little butterflies. Again, I did them 4 to a page, so they came out really small. Not sure what kit that came from, because she does include sheets of butterflies in quite a few of her kits. And then this is from her, is it called Ferns and Mushrooms? It was a kit that she did last year, so I did those 4 to a page. So that's a load of mushrooms. And then I've got some die cut leaves. I've just got a script stamp and a stencil. And then I've got some eyelash trim, some nice ribbon, and then some burlap and lace, and some leaf trim, and some Sari silk, and some linen. I think this is, it's not seam binding, it's light seam binding, but I forgot what it's called. And then some of this, and I forgot its name again. So that is that. Let me put my coffee here. So like I say, I've inked, I'll put these out the way. I've inked those up just to save some time, but I've not inked up all around the small pieces because I'd been here all morning, and I'm not too sure what I'm going to use and what I won't. So just have a look what we want to do. I've separated some of the words just to make it easier, so I'm not having to grovel through. Let's have a look what that looks like on the green lace. Yeah, I might do that. Let me just cut some off ready. I think I'll just neaten these up a bit. Did these last night, and the light was quite bad, so I have just left a little bit of white on. That should do. Right, I'll just ink these pieces up. I'll stick with the walnut, with it being like a woodland theme. I think you can get away with having it a bit darker. Let's try and get in those little bits. Right, that's that. So I'll do this one with a script stamp. I've done the rest with the stamps, so I'll see what this looks like. Yeah, you won't see most of that, but it's funny, you don't notice it if it is there, but when there's nothing there, it looks so plain. So I'll cut that down a little bit more. Just see if I've got a bit more stamp left. Alright, I'll just put a little dab of glue. Put that there. And then probably put that in about there. I'll just put glue up to about halfway-ish, because I do like them just hanging over slightly. Can't see at that angle. Then I'll just place that over so you just miss that edge out. So that's that. I think they're really cute. Do a couple more. I'll do one of the leaf ones. So if we have that kind of like that, I've got a it's not a bit too big for that circle. Have a bit of a bigger circle. I think the circles are about between 1.5 and 2 inch kind of size, just to give you a rough idea. Let's trim this round again. That's that. It's like it's going to be a really nice day again today. It started off quite dull, but it's cheered up, but the sun's not too bad that it's at me window yet. I think probably another hour in it, or a full sun glare. So I'll just put this stencil on. Yep. I think I got the top bit. That's it. Oh, I think I'm preferring the stencil to the text. So what shall we have behind it? Let's have a look what this looks like. Nope. And I could probably want something brown. Might do that, but I think it needs a little bit of not seam binding. This stuff, eyelash trim. I'll just cut a little bit of that off. In fact, I think I'll do it this side. I think I've done all the others. The other side. I'm gonna just cut this hem bit off because it's quite thick. So let's pull it out a little bit and get some threads starting to pull. Just press that down. Right, let's see. I'm going to just stick this at the back of, oh no, I won't need to. Yeah, I'll just do it on one side. The other one I stuck it up and down the leaf so it had like fibres coming out of each side, and I thought that would be easier rather than clumping it all underneath. Snip it. Oh, I think I've blunted my new scissors already. So that's that. Let's see where we want there. Oh, all these little bits, it's very itty bitty. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, perhaps push that around there. Yeah. So I'll glue to about there. Yes, I've got my glasses on. It's a good job. But yeah, they're all a bit hard to get hold of with your fingers. So that's that. So yeah, the other ones I made, they was using inspirational words, and there was more vintage looking. I think there was mainly with like butterflies and birds. Thought it'd be good to try it on a botanical. Yeah, I love that. So that's that one. Yeah. Don't know what I've just knocked down there, my bin. So we'll do one of the butterfly ones. Let me just get this again. I don't think I did too bad actually. I sat at the side of my bed last night and I'd only got my bedside lamp on, so it was quite dark in there. I don't think I've done too bad really. Let's see if does that one need trimming? No. So yeah, I'm still in the making little thing mode. Been making a load of little notebooks up. Oh, that's nice. Let's have a look. What would that look like? Oh, that might be nice. Might have it going. Diamonds. I could even leave that long tail actually. Or not. As soon as I said it, I was like, no. Yeah, I prefer it going that way. Let's cut it down to there. Right, let's do a bit of stenciling behind it. Gosh, it's warm in here now. I've shut the door with filming, just in case the dog starts barking, just so you can't hear it as much. And I'm absolutely baking in here. What have I done with the... I can see that. I can see that. Aha. Yeah, I don't want to turn the fan on because it's quite loud. So yes, it's very warm in here. Yeah, like that. Oh, it's the world's slowest glue. Just give it a poke, see if that will do it. Oh, I can't even see with my glasses on, that's it. There we go. I wish I'd have probably put some eyelash trim under that. Let me get the lighter one. It just needs a bit of something. See if I can just lift. Oh, that's better. Cut that bit off there. Yeah, I didn't quite get it right, but let's give it a little bit. Just hold it a second. Yeah, lovely. So I'm going to sit here and finish these off. I'm sure you don't want to watch anymore. I just wanted to say hi and just show you what I was up to today. So I shall speak to you soon. Take care. Thanks for joining me. Bye.